Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Sam from Paper Besos. I want to show you a little something something. So I was lucky enough to find these stamps and dies, and they're discontinued, but I mean, you can use a printable to do this. You know, everybody's got their own little button dies, and you know, you could do a lot with that, but I just kind of wanted to show you, and I haven't done this yet, so hoping this works out. So let me show you something. This is what I'm gonna be working on. Can you see that? Okay, sorry, not in frame. I did put a little bit of foam on the back of it just to give it, you know, that look of a real button, and I just kind of, you know, made it look all vintagey. And I also printed some grunge tape from Nick the Booksmith. That's grunge tape. I'll cut some of that out in a minute. But this is my thought process. Holding it up so I can see. So remember when you used to buy button cards? Do you remember that? And on the back, it would be taped or whatever. And cut some of these out. Now when you get some of the buttons at, you know, vintage buttons at wherever you get them at, sometimes the tape on the back will look really grungy, right? Let's see how we can do this. Let's see if this works. Let's do it. Want to? All right, so let's cut this in half. I think that's gonna work. I like it. And then let's make pretend like there used to be a button here, right? And there used to be a button here. There's the other hole. I'll take that off in a minute, but, and you know, on the back of the card there was always like crisscross, right? Gosh, sorry, I hope I'm still in frame. All right, close enough. Leave it loose. Just trying to leave them loose. Okay. Hold it that way. You get what I'm trying to do though. Okay. Let's get a couple more pieces of tape. Kind of wonky cuts. I think it was always just like what, the first piece and the last piece that was taped on there, right? Grunge up the because we already used them buttons, girl. Just kind of blend it out. That's my idea, to make it look grungy. Stay in frame. What do you think? You can go all kinds of ways with this, you know? I mean, you could put older, grungier buttons on it, or grunge up some buttons, you know? If you had the white paper, you could have grunged it up really, 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 really well. But, and then I'll probably, you know, distress this too, some. You know, and how the corners are always like bent when you get them. I don't have like a lot of ink on here, it's just a bit, but it's enough apparently. I could even break that, you know how those are always broken. It's heading there. Make it look like they struggled when they took those buttons off. See, one of them strings already came out. I already took it out. But that's okay, because that's what happens, right? I think that's cute. There you go. You want a grungy button. Definitely would do a different button though, because that kind of just looks out of place now, but you get the idea. All right, make some. If you do, make sure you tag me. All right. All right, have fun making them. Besos. Love you. Bye.